and this is VAL. It's a 1.6 meter tall robot. I'm going to demo to you the dialogue capability of VAL. You can speak many languages and you can pick the different language such as English or Chinese, and it will respond to you in that language. Where is the nearest cash machine?
We have ATM and B1 next to vending machine corner.
What exhibition would you recommend to visit?
There are plenty of exhibitions. You can visit the car show at Chani Expo, flower show at Gardens by the Bay.
How do I get to the airport?
By MRT is a 40 minutes at price about 15 Singapore dollar. By taxi 25 minutes at price 30 Singapore dollar.
I want to book a taxi.
Great, at what time?
12 p.m.
Thank you for your taxi order. Taxi will wait you near the entrance to the hotel.
附近有提款机吗？
提款机在地下层1楼的自动贩卖机旁。
哪里有展览会？
现在有几个展览会在进行中，汽车展在樟宜博览场，花卉展位于滨海湾花园，以及食品展在新达城新加坡国际会议展览中心。
怎么去机场？
您可以选择乘搭地铁，预计费时40分钟，收费是15新元。您也可以乘搭德士，费时25分钟，收费是30新元。
酒店有什么服务？
我们提供免费洗衣服务，24小时餐厅、泳池及健身房。
酒店有什么餐厅？
酒店2楼有平面餐馆，在丝绸路有间西餐牛排餐厅，步行需要15分钟。
So you press the feedback button and start your feedback. I would like to compliment Mary at the front desk for her excellent service. Earlier at 2 o'clock this afternoon, when it was raining, she rushed towards me with an umbrella, knowing that I would be wet if I'm going outside into the taxi. Thank you for her excellent service. I just want to provide the hotel with this compliment. Send.